Hey guys, welcome back to another video in my Robinhood investing series where I'm going to be investing $5 every day, Monday through Friday. And at this point, we're only in week 2. I have invested $50 at this point. And just for this past week, my portfolio is up 7.66%. And year to date at this point, I am up 36%. So doing pretty well at this point and liking where things are going. So on Monday, I purchased $5 worth of Vanguard S&P 500. For Tuesday and Wednesday, I purchased $5 worth of Tesla stock on both days. And then on Thursday again, I purchased another $5 worth of the S&P 500, or Vanguard S&P 500, which for this past week is up 2.35%. And on Friday, my final purchase for week 2 was another $5 worth of Tesla stock. Ideally, I would like to own a single share of Tesla before it reaches like over $250 or $300. So hopefully, if I just keep buying Tesla like 3 times a week, and then keep adding on to my Vanguard S&P 500 2 times a week. Hopefully we'll see some good returns on those investments. Like I said, just past year up 36%. So very happy with where things are going. And this isn't a series to show you guys how to make money quick or anything like that. I am merely just starting another brokerage account and just seeing what happens if I were to invest $5 every single day. And it's going to be nice to have this extra money saved up, because at this point, I'm just setting aside $5 every day and just putting away. Even if I only make like 3 to 5% annual returns, that works for me. So I'm not looking to grow this portfolio super fast. This is just slow and consistent investing. So I also noticed that my $5 worth of Shiba Inu coin this past week has gone up 18%. I'm obviously not relying heavily on Shiba Inu coin at all, since I only did throw $5 in it. And at this point, I have $7.29 worth. And in Tesla, I have $42.37 worth. And the Vanguard S&P 500, I have $10 worth. So I'm going to be going into week 3 with low expectations. I mean, we had a really good week, 7% in a single week. That's really good. And with the way that the economy is looking, who knows if we're going to have these positive returns every week. But again, just going to continue buying even when it's down weeks, and then hopefully the average cost of each stock will just balance out. For at this point, my average cost for the S&P 500 is $375.52. And for Tesla, my average cost is $134.49. If you guys are new to investing and aren't really sure what average cost means, that's just saying like what the average cost of or how much Tesla costs on average every time that I purchased it. So basically, I just got 0.2198 shares for the average cost of $134.49. So yeah, let's see. And with just the past week, Tesla is up 8.23%. And let's see, within the past month, up 76%. That is insane. However, within the past 3 months, it is down 13%. Within the past year, it is down 36%. So it still has some time to rebound. We'll see what Elon Musk does with Tesla here in the near future, and hopefully it will continue to rise. Taking a quick look at the S&P 500, the past week, 2.35%. Past month, 7.59%. 3 month, 9%. 1 year, it's actually down 7%. And just the last 5 years, it is up 50%. So yeah, I don't expect to make a lot from the Vanguard S&P 500, but just something that will hopefully continue to gradually go up. And as I'm recording this, it is currently February 5th. It is a Sunday. And the reason that my portfolio is still moving is because of my Shiba Inu stock. Crypto never sleeps. And here we go, nosedive right now, down almost 6%. So we'll see where that continues to go. Like I said, cryptocurrency, very volatile. So you just have to be prepared for that whenever you invest in crypto. Well, just in any stocks in general, but never invest more than you're willing to lose. Let me know what you guys are thinking about the series so far. What are you guys putting into? What companies are you guys buying into? And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.